reporting for BBC School Report. Hindu school shocks the county. With Leicester opening a new free Hindu school, people ask whether it's right to open a single faith school. Krishna Avanti Primary School is one of the first single faith schools in the country. The school will have 50% of its students being Hindus and the other 50% will be non-Hindus. The Krishna Avanti Primary School is a replica of the already opened Hindu school in Harrow, North West London. However, in the first year, the school will only have 60 places for students, but the reception class will open in September 2011. As with all three schools, the primary school will have its own timetable. The school will now focus on yoga, meditation to focus the students. The main RE lessons will be based on Hindu religion, and the rest will be based on world religions. The meals of the school will all be vegetarian to follow Hindus' belief to not eat meat. Samira, do you think it's right to have single faith schools?
I think it's wrong to have single faith schools because experiencing other faiths makes us better human beings. Rather than fighting with one another, we acknowledge other people's differences.
Thank you. And Reem, would attending a single faith school change your views on different religions?
Maybe, because what that school teaches you can be the negative sides of that religion and not what the actual religion is about.
Thank you. Alima, what do you think of this new school opening, and if you had the chance, would you attend?
I think that it's a great opportunity for Hindu children to shine at their new school, but I would not attend because I think I wouldn't fit in as I am a Muslim.